Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can train your dog in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, you need to find your dog and then click on the paw icon, and then you're going to click on train, and then you need to select the action to learn. For example, I'm going to select the shake head action, and then you can start the training. You will have a few seconds to train your dog, and you need to give feedback to the dog. Okay, if it's right, you can click on the check mark, but if it's not right, you can click on the X button. Okay, it's right. And again for the round 3, it's not right. And yeah, you just need to do the feedback. You just need to give feedback. Oh, and the playtime has been ended, and click on confirm, and you will get reward. Okay guys, and that's how you can train your dog in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.